Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure power and permissions won't slow you down. Put both devices on charge until they are above 50%, then unlock your iPhone and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so pairing can occur. Open the Smart Drive Companion app on your phone because this app handles the pairing flow, grant location, Bluetooth, and notifications when prompted. Once done, keep the watch and phone within a few feet. Proximity reduces pairing errors, and move to the app's Add Device or Pairing screen. Now you'll start the actual pairing sequence inside the Smart Drive app. Tap Add Device, select Apple Watch, and follow the on-screen prompts. The app often displays a short numeric code. When a PIN appears, confirm that the same number shows on your watch. This step prevents accidental pairing with nearby devices. Make sure you allow any permissions the app requests, such as health or motion data. Wait patiently for the app to show connected. This means the devices have exchanged keys and will sync reliably. Finish by customizing settings and verifying functionality. Test a simple control from your watch, like a gesture or speed command, to confirm signals go through. If the app prompts for a firmware update for the Smart Drive, install it now because updates fix connectivity bugs. Make sure you keep both devices charged during the update. If something goes wrong, first toggle Bluetooth, then restart your phone and watch and try pairing again. That clears most transient issues. If problems persist, contact Smart Drive support with device model and app logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.